It's Derek Peltzer, just gonna unbox my new Verd frame and parts from Danscom. Just got it in the mail today. So, I guess we'll see what I got here. See if I can cut myself open. I don't know what they're trying to keep out of this box, but they sure package it well. Alright, so we got this bag that is loaded with stuff. So I'll show you guys what's in here. Cameraman can come up close, zoom in on what's in here. Okay, so we got some receipts. Those aren't necessarily important. A BSD DVD, which is cool because I didn't even order anything BSD. Some stickers from Danscom. I got a t-shirt. You get a free t-shirt if you order over $100 worth of stuff. Odyssey liner SLS slick brake cable in black. 19mm demolition bottom bracket. There's a demolition sticker in there as well. That looks pretty nice. What's this? Mechanic half-track black chain. It's pretty light. It comes in a cool zipper type case, almost looks like a CD. And they sent me a free calendar with the t-shirt too, which is cool because normally I only send you one. Either a calendar or a t-shirt. They sent me both. So that's cool. Okay, and now for the good stuff. Whole ton of brown paper. And here it is. Really light. Bubble wrap. I'll have fun with this stuff later. There it is. This is the Verd Cartel Eagle frame in purple haze, it's called. It's almost like a brown. It's really cool. It's like speckled purple on it. That's really nice. Custom head tube on there. CNC dropout or seat stay mounts. Alright, sweet. I'd just like to give a quick shout out to my two sponsors, Northtown Rentals, which is here in Creston. I work there. And my other sponsor is One Industries. Alright, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.